Hey guys, I'm Sofia Tilbury and today I'm going to show you how to create Lily James's Sculpted Glow using the new Hollywood Glow Glide Face Architect Highlighter. Start with Charlotte's Super Hydrating Magic Serum to plump and brighten the look of the skin. Then follow with Magic Eye Rescue. As always, I prep the skin with Magic Cream. Lily loves the way this instantly revives her complexion. Glide on Magic Lip Oil and that's our skin prep done. If you love Hollywood Flawless Filter, you're going to adore the new Hollywood highlighters. Apply Beautiful Skin Foundation to maintain that dewy skin-like finish. Then color correct with Magic Vanish for a perfected base. I'm going to show you how to cheat an eye lift and facelift effect with Beautiful Skin Concealer. Apply a lighter shade to these key areas, then blend with a precise brush to bounce the light. Set your T-zone with the finely milled AIRbrush Flawless Finish powder and use AIRbrush Brightening Flawless Finish to enhance that brightening lift effect. Millie has gorgeous brows, so I'm brushing upwards to the hairs with Brow Fix Gel before lightly filling with Brow Cheat. I'm using the Exaggerize palette, starting by blending the rich brown shade over the entire lid and along the lower lash line. Add the rose gold shade to the center of the lids and inner corners and use the matching Exaggerize cream eyeshadow to enhance that smoothing light play. Press the sparkling shades on top for a final pop and continue that old Hollywood glamour by drawing a dramatic feline flick. Finish with your favorite false lashes and plenty of Pillow Talk mascara. To get Lily's red carpet lip, start with Pillow Talk Medium. Top with Yes Honey lipstick and add a swipe of Glossy Drama with Lip Luster and Seduction. Tie your look together with Beautiful Skin's Sun-Kissed Glow Bronzer over the temples and cheekbones. Swish Pillow Talk blush high on the cheeks. And now it's time for Hollywood Glow Glide Face Architect Highlighter. This is like sculpting with light. Glide over the cheekbones, then get Charlotte's Hollywood Glow Tricks by pressing into the top and the tip of the nose, along the Cupid's bow, over the inner corners of the eyes, and along the brow bone. It's a one-swipe wonder to bath your skin in beauty light. Finish with AIRbrush Flawless Setting Spray, and that's how to get the Hollywood Glow of the stars with Charlotte's Hollywood Glow Glide Face Architect Highlighter. Find your shade and shop now on charlottetilbury.com.